Ever since I started here with Phoenix, they're all recorded. Okay. If anything, if there's any webinars missing, you let me know, and I'll tell Steven. All right. Yes. To the Cassius website. Correct. I know you say fuck means. Do you ever pay, Chris? I do to a certain extent. As of an example today, if you saw that UCAT trade in the morning, right before news release, right? They pinned. Oh wait, hold on. Let me record. Oh, okay. I already record. Okay. They pinned the low one more time. They punished the sellers one more time with this false move, this fake momentum, which I said is bullshit, right? This fake momentum. Grab these guys, and they shifted the zone. Like what? What was that? Like a 75 pip correction. They shifted the zone. So the news complete the pattern, and they get things going, Chris, to answer your question. All right. Yeah, no problem, bro. Cool, cool. All right. Anyways, guys, so as I was saying about this, okay, so just pay attention to me, okay? This is a little advanced. I shouldn't even be teaching y'all, but since you guys are in with my old students who have been here since day one, I'm gonna have to show it anyways. I don't have these on my day one, day two, and day three training, so this will also give you a good head start, all right? Okay, as I was saying, the TDI. So if you want to write this down, feel free. Okay, so here the TDI is below the support band and above the resistance band outside of the volatility band. Oh, that's a mouthful. Okay, so if it's outside the volatility band and below the lowest support and above the highest resistance, you're probably in level 3. And don't worry, guys, the new students, I break down what the TDI has, okay? The green is the RSI price line, the yellow is the market baseline, the red is the signal line, and then the outside is the volatility bands, kind of like a Bollinger Bands, okay? All right, so anyways, you are probably in level 3. So with that being said, if you see this and your TDI is doing this, right, like this, shadow box pins to the upside, and not only that, but there's a Mayo right there, you got it. You probably got a little nervous here on this pin to the mayonnaise, but this is just to make sure they grab the sellers that sell the bounces off the moving averages, right? I've talked about this, which is crap. All right, so you take this W, you're in profit in the first 15 minutes. In one candle, you're in profit. All right, the trade is over when it consolidates or when your muster starts acting funny, which is start breaking down like this. This is when your trade is over. All right, just think about it. If you put a 4 standards, a 5 standard, a dollar lot here, with this, you're in massive profit, dude. No lie. Who was it today? Chris. What's his name? Chris. Oh, I don't know what's his name. I forgot. But Halffold or something. He's in the group. But this guy made $28,000 today off of this method. Congrats, bro. Freaking amazing, man. All right. And Briscoe, I ain't forget about you, bro. You had that beautiful M top on AUD NZD. You nailed it, buddy. You nailed it, man. Proud of you, bro.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah.
You get all the credit though.
Okay. So This is what I mean, okay? Okay, so I think one of y'all just got in, so got in as of then. You missed the first recording of the webinar, so a quick overview one more time. Scan for your proper channel size, which is 25 to 50 pips. This occasion, it was 43. I'm going to repeat this as many times as you want, even for my old students, until you freaking get this. So write 3 vectors to the low. Well, your mayonnaise on this occasion, okay? Mayo was right there acting as a support. You start noticing this beautiful W in the shadow box at the appropriate time with your timing element. TDI is confirming your stop hunt. You get into trade without fear, man. Put in your $5, $10 contract sizes. Get your 25 plus K, get your 10K right here. End of the day, man. Painless trade. Isn't this better than sitting there and babysitting a trade and watching your equity bleed? All right. Isn't this just better? Just take a second leg M, a good lock, so on and so forth, right? Okay. Another thing, something important now about the TDI and your reversals, okay? If the TDI is doing some crap like this on the upside, you're possibly not even a level 3. What do I mean? Well, don't confuse me, Cash. Oh, what are you talking about now? If your TDI is doing this and you have W right here, you don't take this trade. Why? Because most likely this is probably going to keep dropping. Why? How do I know this? Because your TDI is out here acting stupid on the upside. Okay? Your TDI is supposed to confirm your reversals most of the time. Most. I didn't say all. Most. This is an indicator, by the way. Remember, indicators are man-made. The most important and most powerful thing in this method is the pattern, which is what? MMAW, WVVM, right? TDI is TDI is the whole thing, gentlemen. The whole thing. The blue outside is the volatility bands. The green price line is the RSI. Your yellow line is the market baseline, which which pretty much moves with the market, kind of like the trend, like your intraday trend, kind of, okay? And your red line is the signal line.
Hey, Oscar, I know you just said all that. Can you say that one more time? Because I just got my notebook out. I just got home from my drive.
Oh, okay. Sure, okay.
The TDI.
Okay, let me make it, let me change the colors. Let me get my dashboard hold on. Whiteboard. Can you see my whiteboard, everybody?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So, TDI, these are your volatility bands. Volatility bands. The ones that are outside, all right?
Okay.
Your green is the RSI. You know what an RSI is, right? It's usually, what is it, like your 2080, I don't know what crap is it, but it's already automatically installed for you in the indicator, so don't even worry about that. So this is your RSI line, price line, okay? The red line is your signal line. Okay. And last but not least,
real quick, USD CAD finally looks like it's getting out of that stop line. Just wanted to throw that out there.
Okay. I'll look at it right now, Briscoe. Let me finish up real quick here, bro. Let me finish it real quick. Okay. I got you, man.
Oscar, does when I install the template on a computer, does it come as these colors, or do I just adjust?
No, they come automatically. They come like this, bro. They just like I have this template is gonna show it just like that,
Okay. And this is gonna be one of the videos, so I can just go back and review this.
Yes, of course.
Awesome.
Of course. Okay. This is actually in video 2, actually in the day 2, video 2. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So, and then your yellow is your market baseline. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, that template looks like Cash's screen. Danny, hey Danny, kind of sucks what happened today in TNA, huh? All that stuff that was going on, kind of crazy, huh? But oh well, man, stuff happens, you know. Anyways, as I was saying, yeah, I feel you, bro. I feel you. As I was saying, guys, let's look at that picture again one more time. Okay. Oops. Oh, wow. Okay. Give me a sec. Okay. As I was saying, same thing. You see how this is a different scenario? Okay. TDI is that outside, confirming your W. Okay. Keep in mind though, this is a multi-session W, right? New York, which are London. See how these pins were less than these, right? Confirming also. All right. So the timing element is excluded on this one because this is a multi-session. But
Right.
everybody else, my my day one students know what this means. Okay. So same thing outside. Same thing. If the TDI is up here doing some garbage like this, you don't take that trade. Okay, so on this instance here, okay, but this was a multi-session W. So overall, you see this fat W in your TDI, you take that. All right, you take that without fear. You're up in profit, right? 1, 2. They did 2 levels here. The trade is over in consolidation, or your yellow mustard starts breaking down, chopping around, giving you a signal that the trend is running out of fuel. Okay. All right. So this is how you confirm your levels in the TDI, okay? If you see this, right, 1, it's kind of funny. 1, 2, 3. You can count your levels on the TDI. All right, if you want to scale in, scaling in means adding more contracts to your trade. All right, I talked about this, but I'll share it real quick again. Once your signal line crosses through here, your market baseline, that's one entry. Okay, well, that's the first entry. Okay, number 2, this one crosses here. So in this instance, you really can't see it, but there's most of the time when the signal line, which is the red one, crosses the market baseline, that's your second entry. And then, so it would be somewhere around here, okay? And then don't even buy here anymore. You're late. Don't even do that. Your entry is here. Excuse me, here. All right. All right. Let's keep going. Same thing here. All right. This is confirming level 3. So you don't have to worry about this being a DNC. All right. You know you're okay with it. DNC, by the way, means do not counter trade. Okay. So you know you're okay here. Shadow box in place. Your 3 vectors to the low. 1, 2, 3. TDI pointing down. Stop hunt. You take this trade. It was a little choppy, but if you know what you're doing, if you know you have all these confirmations, you're okay. If you got in here, you might have gotten a little scared because this came down one more time. How is the trade valid still? Because they didn't break this area. Okay. So your stop loss always here, all right? So you took the trade, took a little heat, but it ended up paying out, right? First take profit water, second mayo on reversals. All right. So this is how you know you're in level 3, and you know you're excuse me, your reversal will pay out. I'm not talking about level 3 in the market structure. I'm talking about level 3 intraday on the reversal. Okay, I'm not talking about this. I'll show you right now. Whose phone is that? Can you cut it off, please? All right, let's see if I can get a picture, guys. Give me a sec. Screenshots. Man, I have plenty of screenshots, but
You're just as bad as Clay.
man, I forget what I was gonna show you again. Darn it. Let's see. Where is it at? Oh, no. Okay. Okay, so this is what I mean. I'm not talking about, oh, screw it. I'm not talking about the overall structure. This TDI is useless here. This is where you start doing your level counts, all right? Let me see if I have that picture. I know I have it. I know I have it somewhere. Give me a sec, guys. I'm sorry. Pictures.
With that picture you just had up, that was a screenshot, right? Of what you just drew on?
No, it was actually a live chart, but that was just an example, though. Okay, I think it's right.
Do you only do that on the 15-minute?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
Yeah. For the overall trend, though, it's the 4 hour. I have the videos from that recording as well. So
Yeah, I watched that. I was just making sure with the fanning that, okay, it's just on the 15-minute. We're looking for that.
yeah.
Okay.
Fine, guys. I don't want to waste too much time, but oh, bingo! I think I got him. Use the okay. This is what I mean. Okay, so I went over this already with my old students, but for my new ones, real quick. All right, your levels are very important. AKA pushes, Brandon. You want to call them pushes or levels? That's fine. Pushes is okay.
That's what Granny Pimpin taught me.
Exactly. So first push, second push, fake W, your TDI. Right now we learn how to count the levels. Now you know how to count them. Okay, so level 1, just as demonstrated here. Level 2. Now what do you expect? The possible reversal, possible consolidation, possibly if anything, worst case scenario, they extend the low, make another level, right? But on most cases, they correct back into the range, right? And then end the day in consolidation, or end the session in consolidation, right? Let's see. Sorry, I'm late. Gio, it's all right, man. That's like what happened right now with J pairs. Yep, pretty much, bro. Pretty much, man. You see, once you master this Julian, you're not gonna use sell stops anymore. Trust me, bro. You're gonna market execute. You're gonna take trades from here. You're gonna be profiting, man. Trust me. Trust me. I've seen the progress with my students. I'm very proud of myself, but there's much more they need to learn. But the reason that I haven't moved forward with them more is because I know that there's more students that are going to keep on coming in. So I'm going to wait a little bit more, maybe about 2 more weeks. I told Sila about 3 weeks. So I'm sorry about that, Sila. So possibly 2 more weeks. And then I'll get into the advanced MMM, okay? Which is which is a little more more with the TDI. I start helping you identify like divergences, and actually I'm going to share some videos and so on and so forth, okay? How to Do that and the swing trades. Also, more in detail into that because I know I talked about it, but I didn't go into full detail. Like actually look at the higher time frames and tell you, okay, look, if you in the 4 hour, I told you that all the patterns play out the same way always, right? What happened with Euro USD, right? On Sunday, I said, okay, so it did an M, it did an A, hit the stops high drop, hit the stops high drop. What was the next move? They hit the stops. I think they hit it one more time on the 15-minute, and then they reversed, right? Now they reversed, right? I expected this. Why? Because of the freaking pattern. If you can identify this, you're good. Same on the upside, WVVM, right? A W anchor point, let's say false move week beginning. Again, this is the same damn pattern I'm showing you again, right? Sunday, Monday, right? False move week beginning. This is where breakout traders miss. Then you told me something about breakout traders. This is where breakout traders get rewarded, by the way. Sunday, Monday trap days, they get rewarded here. Those who sold late get trapped here, right? Going over the same trap again, guys, with you. I'm sorry, but okay. Pins to the upside on the false move week beginning. You get trapped here. Like I said, you can forget about it for 2 to 3 days, up to 5 if anything. Okay. And now expect, yes. Hey, you did it. Wow. Whoever's doing that, very good job, right? We expect day one rise.
That was me, Briscoe.
All right, man. You getting it, bro. And they're pretty accurate too, by the way. Day 2, day 3, M, correct back into the range, pull back, and the weekend consolidation drag you over for the weekend, charge you swap, charge you floating PL, so on and so forth, right? This is the cycle. All right.
They just do the same crap every week. Like light bulbs going off.
Yep, pretty much. Let's see. Hello. Let's see. Hold on, give me a second, guys. Okay, so yeah, this is pretty much it. Briscoe, you were saying about UCAT. Let's see, what's it doing? UCAT, let's see. Wow, kind of funny. It's doing this little channel type of thing, kind of just doing this. So
Yeah, it had two big green bars for me. So I'm like, oh shit, is it finally reversing up? Is it done with
yeah,
the stop hunt? But then now it's like,
yeah, I wouldn't. Yeah, this is why I got out. I got out. I think somewhere around here because the 2 hour limit has reached. I wasn't profit
yeah,
taking.
I'm just looking at it. I'm just,
Yeah,
just watching it.
yeah. Make, okay. Yeah, bro. So that's what I mean, man. They're doing this. I wouldn't even look at this anymore. It's in a slow downturn right now, intraday. I believe they're going to wait for the news for tomorrow, which is for the oil inventories. However, like I told you, bro, they can anchor in on the Thursday. So if they come down here and they fail to take out this area one more time, you're good to go for a buy, man. But if they break this area, they'll forget about it, man. Just don't chase this trade. Go look for another pair, bro. But pretty much, they fail to break this area tomorrow. They throw a pin right at the news, ends in like that, you're good to go. Don't hit the low in front of me 3 times. Not 3 times. Especially 3 times. They're gonna correct big, possibly somewhere around here. if they do that. It says, I've seen honesty a lot of it, but I haven't learned to see them in real because I don't have it. Julian, like I said, bro, I'm gonna give you the template, buddy. Don't worry, man. Just be patient with me. You'll have the template. It will be a guide to help you out, bro. Okay? Yeah, it will. It will, brother. It will. Trust me. All right? I'll give you the template. But however, if you didn't see my message, now that everyone is here, some of my new students here, I said, for privacy reasons, I don't want you to share this template with no one. What's like Shorty says, what stays in caches stays in caches. If I find out you you share this template, I'm gonna remove you from this group. Okay? All right. And this goes for everybody out here too. All right. Good.
Yeah, no group hopping.
All right, guys. So I think this is it for today, guys. Just wanted to cover with you guys the second leg M's and W's a little more in detail with your TDI. Okay. Is there any other questions you guys got? I got like 5 minutes, I think. Any other questions about what I've taught today?
Are these setups at Asia beginning as well?
What the second leg M's and W's?
Yeah, the Brinks trades. Because I was looking for this exact setup 2 days ago, and I couldn't find it on the beginning of Asia section for the HOD and the LOD.
Okay. So again, right? We look for the proper channel size. Okay. So in this instance, the box is blown out. Okay. However, I've talked about what happens in the blown out box. Okay. They must correct. So you see this 1, 2, 3 pins. However, in hindsight, you would have seen this. You possibly could have taken this W at the water, but your TDI wasn't. Remember what I said about the TDI not confirming your entry that good? But if you took it, you could have taken it to the water. But Julian, to answer your question, most of these Brinks trades occur at 8:44 my time, 7:45 a.m. Well, Central Time, 7:45 a.m. and 2:45 a.m. So for London, one for London and one for New York, these boxes present.
Okay, so not for Asia, basically just London and New York.
Yes, pretty much, yeah.
Yeah.
Also, I had a question, Oscar. When we get the template, are we using that only with what's it called, MetaTrader 4?
Oh yes, only MetaTrader 4, bro.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, Andres. Don't trade Asia. Why? Okay. See, in this instance, this one paid out, but I don't want you to trade this. Okay. I want you to trade the Asian session. It's more tougher. Like I said, once you're a master at this method, feel free to take any freaking trade you want, man. I'm not gonna be on your ass. But here, you see this? You see this, Julian? This is a Brinks trade, an example.
Oh, all day. Yeah, you can see the M, you can see the low of the day, and then you can see the higher low, which completes the second leg, and boom.
Yeah, exactly. So they extend. Okay, so first of all, right, they grab these buy stops, Julian. No buy stops, bro. No more, bro. Please.
Oh, is that a pin?
Yep, a wick.
Is that a wick? Holy shit! What the fuck?
Yeah, grab your.
That's like what happened to me on gold, dude.
Yep, bro. So grab your buy stop, drag you around. Now you sit there like, no, like not to you, but in general, you sit there like a moron. Now thinking, man, this is gonna go up or down. You close because you're scared. You sell with this inverted hammer. Now you're trapped again, and they rise price against you like 200 pips. Okay. So my point is here, this is a Brinks trade. W, they extended the low. Your TI giving you a W. with your stop hunt, you see how they got out the volatility bands. This is good to go golden. Take this with a standard, or if you got more balls, take it with 10 standards. All right,
Oh my gosh.
take profit, get your
You
10,000
mean
right
your margin?
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, man.
10 standard and a 3,001 leverage.
I think.
All
Yeah.
in.
All right. So all right, guys. Very good. First.
Ciao.
Yeah. I want my new students, Julian, everybody else, to go through all the recording.
What are the pairs where you see the setup plays out the most?
They play out. They play out in every pair, bro. Every pair. Trust me. Crude oil is a little more difficult, but I don't want you to trade oil or gold, bro. Trade the pairs that you know what they're doing, right? Remember what I said, we're not in the 50-50 business. All right. But yeah, they play out on every pair. Even right, Sile, USD ZAR gave you a Brinks trade, you banked off of it, right? I think I remember that trade from you. But yeah, guys, this is it for today. If you have any questions, please feel free to PM me. I'll try to answer it as soon as I can. Everybody else, please go through the day 1, day 2, and day 3 of my training so you can catch up with the old students and we can move on with the class. All right.
All right.
All right.
We'll
Cool. Everybody have a good night. I'll
Cool,
see you in the Telegram, guys.
all right.
Just
You
need
too,
that
bro.
template. That's it.
Yep. Okay. Cool.
Okay.
All right, buddy.
All right. Good night, guys. Everybody, Briscoe, good night, man.
Good night.